far as the rest of the audio system, you got 2 kicker 6x9s in each front door. The rear doors, I replaced the speakers that went in there with some PRV 6-inch mid-range speakers. Where the stock grill was for the tweeter, stock tweeter, cut a hole in each door, put a set of Scar Audio super tweeters in each door. All the speakers in both super tweeters have 14 gauge speaker wire ran from them. And back here is where I made this little amp board. See, this is all covered up. So you got kicker 2-channel running the super tweeters, auto tech 4-channel running the 4 door speakers, audio pipe monoblock running the subs, PRV audio DSP controlling the whole system. And I also put extra battery back here. Look at that. Like, ain't even nothing back here. Look at that. So